Hello, my name is Brian Hindle and I'm from Lancashire in the United Kingdom. My invention is a cure for one of the world's biggest problems, a problem which affects the majority of the 6.5 billion population of this planet. The problem I'm referring to is snoring. Snoring causes big issues in terms of relationships, with families, and indeed can extend to violence. So far there are many gimmicks out there, none of which cure the snoring. My invention does that. I've invented a bedside device which detects snoring and then emits a zero volume frequency which actually stops the individual snoring and indeed does not wake up the partner. This box can be manufactured for about £5 and I think could retail between £20 and £30 quite easily, which represents a market opportunity in the terms of billions of pounds, even if we consider just a 10% market penetration. My request would be that I am looking for support in terms of protecting the intellectual property in this device, assistance with marketing, manufacturing and going to market. I feel we'd have to do this very quickly, but has a massive potential for an amazing business plan over the next 2 years. Thank you.